This is my morning beach run from where I live to the beach by Carpinteria State Park. Coming up to, this is the pretty easy part here, and I'm coming up to the construction zone, which gets kind of tricky. And la-di-da. Getting up on the sidewalk here. The gate ahead, or the road ahead, is closed right now. So I have to slow down, kind of take it easy. Obstacles in the way. Now get on the road here. Wet, overcast, drizzled last night. I would be using the camera audio. This is it's an Akaso, A-K-A-S-O. It's a kind of a cheap GoPro with no GPS. And the only way I could secure it to the bike was put it in the plastic case, and then the sound audio doesn't work. All you hear is some background. You just hear the vibration. Okay, now, incidentally, I just went through the spot where they finally put some pavement down. They're really working hard here now. And it looks like it's going to be open pretty soon. Okay. Now they're coming up to a mandatory stop. Notice. Slow. Just gotta wait now. I'll shut up. I don't know, see, you got street sweeper up ahead on the right. I don't know what's going on. Nobody knows what's going on. Okay. Well, that guy got a little anxious. We're getting anxious now. Okay, here we go. This is my first time doing a narration, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. And I don't have a microphone, just using the microphone in the laptop. Okay. California roll through the stop signs. I do keep my head on a swivel. Looking, always looking. Careful. I'm riding an older Mongoose flat bar. Excellent. I just love the bike. I bought it from a neighbor for, I think, $50. And I have had to replace the wheels. And, you know, the usual maintenance, but it's just a nice steel frame. And very comfortable bike. I'm probably rolling along about 15 miles an hour. I can take it up quite a bit more. Okay, rolling through there, and you see, since the school on my left, on the left there, Carpinteria Middle School has been closed since, when? February? Even though kids don't get sick. But in my view, it'd be a good thing if people, there we go, oh, I was looking both ways, no traffic. It would be good if we got off this public school brainwashing social control situation where you don't really learn anything. We just learn how to obey commands. Very narrow bought a ranch, bought some land, and I bought some raw land and turned it into an avocado ranch. 77 years old, still learning things. Anyway, coming up to my stop, and straight ahead is where I swim. And even though it's overcast, this actually is a beautiful day for swimming. No wind. The air is warm and humid. I enjoyed it very much. Hardly any wind. No, not much in the way of waves. Okay, I'm taking this off, and I'll be able to talk in a minute, and then I'll shut up this thing. You're going to hear me talk as I pan around with the camera. There you go. It's out of the case.
Friday.
Okay, coming up.
June 5th, day before D-Day.
Where am I?
There's hardly.
Oh, maybe the audio isn't working.
It's drizzly.
I don't hear anything. Or maybe.
And I hope you notice.
Oh, I'm probably talking over myself.
That's just simply due to the authoritarians in Carpinteria getting their last licks in against freedom and independence by discouraging or prohibiting people from coming down to Carpinteria over the weekend and having the audacity, the unmitigated gall to come here to the beach and get some rain. It's just beyond belief that the discouraging thing to me is that people allow this, they go along with it, and they continue to vote, whether Democrat or Republican. They continue to support the system. Here's some voting booths here. Anyway, wake up, people.